Hi there, I'm Alex, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and welcome to this explainer video on how to use our Medical Examination Report template. A medical examination report is a document that summarizes the results and key findings from the medical examination. Medical examinations can be required for a whole range of reasons, such as for immigration, employment, or routine checkup purposes. They may include a medical history review, physical examination, blood tests, x-rays, vision tests, and hearing tests. The medical examination report can then be provided to the employer, immigration officer, or another interested party to share the results and as proof of the medical examination having been conducted. Here you can see the PDF version of our medical examination report. The patient information section contains the patient's name, date of birth, and the date of the examination. The medical history is for the key findings of their medical history review, as well as their current medication. The radiology section is for noting the images taken and any radiological findings. This is where you can include chest X-ray results if required for your patient. The testing section has spaces for a range of different tests. Please note, if any of these sections are not required for your patient, feel free to leave them blank. The last section is for the results of the physical examination and any additional notes you have. Finally, sign the form and ensure you store it securely and only share it with those you are authorized to do so. If you'd like, feel free to pause the video to take a look at our sample medical examination report. To access this template securely from within Carepatron, open up your client list and select the client having the medical examination. Click Create Note, then hover over this button and click See Template Library. Ensure you've selected Community Templates so you can see the full range of templates. Click in the box and search by keyword. Click the result you'd like to use and it'll be loaded into the Draft tab. You can then complete the template from within this tab. Just click wherever you'd like and start typing. When you're done, click Publish.